Dear audience, so today we'll be discussing about Cisco SMBE 700-750 practice exam module number 5. So let's see what is the module number 5. So module number 5 is adapting to the remote workforce experience. So what kind of questions we are expected? So let's see. The first question is, which challenge is not typically faced by SMBs with remote teams? So out of these four options, the best answer which I can guess is A. Managing large office space is less relevant for remote teams who may not have a physical office presence. Second half of questions could be, which remote collaboration tool can most effectively enhance teamwork and project management? So the answer is C. Project management software specifically facilitates teamwork and efficient project execution and collaborative features. Question number 3 could be, which strategy is least likely to be successful for cross-selling in the remote SMBs? So the answer is prestige is less impactful than practicality and cost effectiveness for budget-conscious SMBs. So as I told you that prestige is a keyword, so whenever there is a prestige, there is a high chance that that could be the answer. Fourth is, how can remote solution benefit the customer service industry? So out of these four questions, the best answer is remote customer service allows agent to assist customer from anywhere, enhancing accessibility and convenience. The fifth is, what is the key factor for successfully adopting remote solution to diverse industries and verticals? Answer is adaptability and catering to specific industry needs are crucial for successful implementation. Here is a bonus question for you. Describe one specific feature or service offered by your company that helps SMBs address a major challenge within their remote work environment. Well done. See you in the next